Kong, can you give me some potato chips? Okay, thank you. So, there's no more? Okay. You want to join? I got the controller. Where's the controller? Join me. Hi, back. So you saw yourself in the counter. There's no space. Hey, bro. Can you play this? I'm going to pub. That's Godzilla. She was number 9. She's always fearless. Sorry. Can you get that? That's a delivery. Mom? I have to clean that horse? Fine. Just wait a minute. It's the other spot. Because my baby sister is. Thanks for watching, guys.